Hello viewers, welcome to today's class of Learner's Kingdom about imperative sentence into passive voice. How can we change imperative sentence into passive voice? So let's start our class. This class will be conducted in English and this is my first English tutorial. Comment that you want the video of Learner's Kingdom in English rather than Bangla. So I will conduct the class according to your comments. So let's start today's class. Today we are going to change imperative sentence into passive voice. We will learn it very easily. I have made all the classes very easily, so please watch the previous classes. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Remember, this is the fourth class of passive voice. So if you miss the previous classes, go to the description link and you will find previous 3 classes. So let's see about the imperative. How can we change imperative sentence? Imperative sentence is the sentence which order you, which makes us think about order, request, permission and prohibition. So for example, please open the door. So here it is request. I'm requesting someone, or that is it can be done. Open the door. It may be order. I can order someone open the door. This is an order. And don't open the door. What will happen? This is an example of prohibition, because I am prohibiting you not to open. And so yeah, I think you have understood what is imperative sentence. If you do not understand the sentence meaning of the sentence, what will you do? You will have to understand that only 2-way imperative sentence is started. So to learn imperative sentence, what will you do? You have to. It is very easy to know that if the sentence is started with verb, the sentence will be called imperative sentence. If the sentence is started with let, the sentence will be called imperative sentence. So 2-way, the sentence is started with 2-way, with verb and with let. Sometimes some requesting word, please, such a word may be started given before. So you will not find any subject. Make sure that there is no subject. Okay, you might have gotten 2 objects. Okay, so if we got 2 objects, what will you do? We will use this structure. And if we got only 1 object, we will give that object here without thinking about anyone. Okay, so let's see what is the structure of imperative sentence into passive voice. Let, first of all we have to put let, then imperative object, impersonal object, then be, then verb 3, then past participle and extra, verb, preposition and personal object. So first of all we have to use let. So let's see an example. Here is an example given. For example, open the door. Open the door. So let's see how can we change the sentence. First of all, we have to use let at the beginning of the sentence. Then after let we have to use impersonal object. Here is only 1 object, so you have to use that object here as an impersonal object. We will put impersonal object first, then personal object. So the object is the door. So the door is given here, the door. We will give B. So B will be provided here. B is used here. After B we will use verb 3. Verb 3 means that means first participle form. So what is the first participle form of verb? Open, opened, opened. So opened is the first participle form. So we have to use opened as a first participle form. So after opened we will have to use extra. So what is extra? Subject of the verb. If we got anything besides subject object verbs, that is an extra. So now is here, so now he will be given here. This extra, this is an adverb. You can use it in the last of the sentence also. Now I will show you how can we change imperative sentence with let into passive voice. Let's see. This is let. Then we will have to give let at the beginning of the sentence. After let, we will have to use impersonal object. So what is impersonal object? We have to know. Means the person, that means me, amake, but the door is not person. It doesn't have any lights, so we will use it. Okay, let. So the door will be given here. The door will be given here. Then be. Okay, the door. Then be. Then verb 3. Verb 3. Open. Opened. Okay. So next, after first person from what will we give? We will provide extra. There is no extra at this moment, so we don't need to think about it. Now, by will be given because there is another object. So by. Okay. Then by means preposition, Then personal object. Personal object means, so this is given. Me is given. So this is all about this structure. You will find most of the sentences by this structure. So don't need to be worried. You have some exceptional. I will show it now. There is an exceptional that something that is no object. You will find some sentences without any object. So what will you do? Don't need to worry. I will give you simple things. It may some sentence. For example, carry on, go on, don't stop. So exceptional one. If we don't find any object in any sentence, so how will I do? You can give you are requested to, but you are requested to, you are forbidden to, you are advised to. So three things can be given, but I prefer you are requested to. Giving you an example. Carry on. So how can we change? You are requested to. You are to. So after this, you are requested to. After this, you will use verb. You will use verb from verb to extra. So here is verb. In the sentence is structured with verb. So verb is given. Carry on. So that's all today's class. If you like this class, please don't forget to share with your friends so that everybody can see and pray for you also. I'm just doing humanitarian work and serving you. So you should also serve all those people so that they can get it. I would like to thank Shuhag. He gives me this word. So thank you very much for being with me. Allah Hafiz.